Ako po si Paulo Diet, Subli Operator ng LCC Legazpi. Dahil sa bagyo po, nag-run lang ito ng 4 days na may total of 8 meters. Printer head clean. Nozzle check. Punas ng wiper at capping after head clean. Ink system ay tama lang. Waste tank. EVR naka 220 volts. Dito po yung inks, yung used and unused po. Consumable monitoring ng Cyan. Magenta, yellow, black, and yung Subli paper po. Subli daily output record. Subli daily checklist.